Hey guys, it's Mo and welcome to a new tutorial from Futuneer. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about default apps. Default apps mean primary apps. So for example, Microsoft Edge is the primary app in Windows 10. So how can we change them? Let's do that. First, you need to go to the startup menu. You start searching for control panel. This is the one. Okay, so you first make sure to view by large icons instead of categories. Now you go into default programs, then set your default programs. Here you go. So for example, the mail here is the mail app. You can change it to whatever you want. Let's say you want it to be opened by Google Chrome directly instead of the mail. Let's see, we have the maps, music player, photo viewer, video player, and the web browser. So for example, if you want to change this web browser into the Edge again, you can simply change it back. That's all what you need to do. And if we want to put it back into Chrome, we simply hit it back, select the Chrome again, switch anyway. That's all. And the second way is we just go to the startup menu and we start searching for default apps. Here you go, it's just a fast way of doing it. Perfect. I hope you guys liked that video. See you in next lessons. Bye for now.